Raika. Raika. Oh, busy siya. Raika, good morning.
Mommy, we're gonna be broken.
Oh, it's broken.
Guys, my gas is broken.
Good morning, baby.
Oh no.
Hindi ako pansin, guys. Busy sa kanyang toy. Aga nagising.
Raika, what are we doing tomorrow?
Morning, guys. Kape na tayo and pandesal.
Oh, where'd you get the pandesals?
Ito, Tito drafted.
Oh, is it that fresh one? The nice fresh one?
Yeah,
Oh,
try it.
Raika, what are we doing tomorrow?
Wow.
Where are we going tomorrow with Daddy? Where am I taking you?
Yum, yum. Oh, pandesal.
I like bread.
Oh no.
You put butter on it.
Oh no.
Yeah, you put butter.
Alright, we'll hit with Daddy.
Morning, guys, you say. Morning, guys.
Who's gonna miss Mummy the most? Mummy, who are you gonna miss the most?
Wow.
Si ate nandito.
Raika, you're gonna get a haircut next week. Much shorter. Let's get to Ariel.
Nakikita niyo ba si Harley? Ito ate-ate, oh. Harley, I'm gonna miss you. What are
Daddy.
you...
What?
My daddy is kissing us.
Correct. That's what we're doing tomorrow, Kidzuna. Correct.
What do you wanna do tomorrow?
Ah.
What do you wanna do tomorrow, Raika?
The one Tony. Daddy was Tony. Tony kissing us.
Daddy gonna take you to Kidzuna. Correct.
Daddy a coffee.
That is cool.
Yeah, it's hot. Thank you, Raika. I forgot it.
Daddy, Daddy, you're here. Daddy, my eye
What's IE doing?
my eye bully. My eye coloring.
IE is coloring. That's good.
Good boy.
IE loves coloring. Do you like coloring now too?
What cotton?
Right.
Right.
Rikers.
Listen,
Kasap niya si Lola niya. Rio, can you say hello, Rio? Can you say...
on the screen.
Yes.
Rio there.
Rio's there. Holly, look at Rio.
She doesn't care.
She doesn't care. God bless you.
Where Rio?
Oh, wow. Oh,
You tell Rio you're in the
Where
Philippines.
oh, there you go. Holly heard Rio. Oh, you guys miss Rio.
Where Rio?
Oh,
Where Rio?
where Rio?
Where Ma?
Grandma.
Grandma, yes.
Where Rio gone?
There's Rio. So you saw Rio. Was that good? Now do you want to see the fish?
Oh, you want to see
Now
the fishy?
show you the fish.
Okay. You want to see the fishies? Okay. The fishy, you want to go to the airport? You say. The fishies.
Is that the fish or not?
No.
Is that?
Yeah, there it is. Oh, can you see the fishy, Raika?
Visitor.
Oh, Holly, look at the fishies. Our fishies.
Ali, look at our fishies.
Oh, that
The
is
two that
good.
survived.
Oh, thank you, Grandma. You say?
Yeah, no worries.
Where Rio? What's your Rio? Where Rio?
Swims
Rio.
around all the time, and the orange one is really shy.
Yeah.
He swims around, but as soon as he sees me, he stops.
Yeah.
He stops there. That's
Oh
true.
no.
Is that normal for him?
Yes, dear.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what he
Oh, Ate P's awake, Holly.
Hello, Melody. Good morning.
Hang on. I've just got something in the oven. I've just got it.
Ready na tayo, guys. Guys, ready na kami. Airport outfit. Airport fit check. Oh, di ba? Ang cute. Nabili namin to sa city. Tapos pati yung tsinelas namin. Ang cute. Antayin lang namin si sir kasi siya yung maghahatid sa amin sa airport. Nag-yoga sila, guys. Yo, Remy.
Find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you.
Hindi masyadong busy dito. Diba? Ang bilas. So, dito na kami ng wala mang 9. Ay, diba?
I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning.
Hindi ko pala nasave. Guys, so we got through the custom. Ang relax-relax ng custom nila dito, you guys. Walang masyadong pila.
Ang hina lang ng boses, like.
Mahina yung boses kasi nakamask kasi siya. So sa kanya, marami tinanong, of course, kasi first time outside the Philippines. So, nang tanong lang ng, konti lang naman, di ba?
Kakilala daw.
Sa Singapore.
Sa wala.
Wala tayong kakilala sa Singapore. Mga naman. Yeah. So, ito yung mga shop dito. So, konti lang yung tinanong sa kanya, guys. So, hindi niya naman kailangan magdala ng ano, yearbook.
COE lang.
Oh, so ito, gusto makita ni Ben yung mga stores na dito. Kasi balak namin before maglagay ng Subway branch here. So, yeah. Konti pa lang, oh. So, Tom and Tom's, meron na nga sila. Dark Silver Bros. So, parang ano yan? Asian, no? Tapos, TGM, Korean, Japanese cuisine. Yun lang yung pagkain nila. Tsaka yun. Guys, dito na kami sa may boarding gate. Pero, lakad-lakad lang. But anyway, ito yung ginagawa nila sa city, oh. Sa downtown, kung saan kami nag-shopping. Kahapon ba tayo nag-shopping doon? O nung isang araw? Nung isang araw
Sunday.
Nung Sunday. Look at that. So, they're putting a Rockwell and Power Plant Mall. So, crucial. Meron na kaming Power Plant Mall niya. Dito sa Angeles. Talagang dinidevelop talaga nila yung Angeles, guys. Or Angeles Clark, Pampanga. Tignan mo, ang dami na naman So, dalawang tower ng condo, no? Nakakatawa pala si ate kanina. Di ba pagkapasok ka ng immigration, papakita mo ulit yung passport mo and boarding pass. And then, tinignan niya yung picture ko sa passport ko. Sabi niya, ma'am, ba't ang taba mo dito? Grabe. Sabi ko, ate, kapapanganak ko pa lang dyan. Guys, maaga tayong magla-lunch. So, brunch namin to sa Barcino here in their international sa departure. So, baka magpa-Elia kami. Mag-share na lang kami. And here's our lunch, guys. Buti na lang talaga. Nag-share lang kami. Ang laki. Ang laki. Alam ko yung mga... Minsan kasi yung pa-Elia, mas maliit dyan yung plato nila. Guys, boarding na kami. Waiting na lang sa aming boarding group. So, what time tayo nag-board? 11:47.
Right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said
touchdown Singapore na kami, guys. Nakatulog ako. Nakatulog ka din, no? Naka-toilet ako, guys. Diretso tayo sa toilet. Guys, nakalabas na kami ng gate. So, kumuha lang kami ng SIM card. Pero 7 days, $48. Magkano kaya Philippine? Basta i-calculate ko naman. Ikaw muna. And dun yung bus papunta ng Jewel. Hey guys, tawid na tayo to Jewel. Here's the Jewel. So, ang bilis lang. Free bus siya from T4. T4 kasi kami nag-arrive, guys. So, 2,000 pesos pala yung SIM card. Yung nabili ko, 100 gig na siya. And how much? May roaming na rin. 3 gig roaming. Ang daming tao, guys. Oh, meron pa dun sa taas eh. Baka doon na lang kami. Walang tao doon. Pero ayan, daming tao. Alas 5 na kasi. So marami siguro nag-arrive. Ayan o. Ang dami nagtatambay dito pala, guys. Oh. Ang ganda nga. Ayan. That's the Jewel in the palace. Charot. The Jewel here in Singapore. So mall din pala to. Ayan. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng mga pa-flower nila. No, diba? Oh, the kids would have loved this. Ang ganda. Tapos nandun yung train dumadaan. Welcome to Singapore! Nag-grab car na. So, nag-grab car na lang kami instead ng taxi. And on the way na kami sa hotel. So, nag-stay kami sa may I think it's Clark Quay yung area niya. So, yeah. Hindi kami nagtagal sa Jewel. Daming tao. Nag-picture lang. Basta nag-picture lang kami sa waterfall. Ano ka? Dito na kami sa hotel, guys. So, it's the Robertson house. Check-in muna tayo. Ayan, guys. Walking to our room now. Ganda ng hotel. 11. Yeah. And we're here in our room, guys. So, it's a queen bed room. Ito yung bathroom. Simple lang yan. Pero ang ganda. Malinis. Shower lang. Ha? Oh, diba? Oh, diba? And then my wardrobe dito. And then bed na, guys. Ayan. Ang cute ng ano nila. Parang vintage. Yung kanilang pa-wallpaper dyan. And then meron silang coffee maker, Nespresso. And yun yung view natin. Buildings. Oh, diba? Ayan. Tapat ng hotel na to is a mall, guys. Ay, nag-way ang ate mo, girl. Totoo ba? Totoo ba talaga to? O, sige, tinan natin yung way natin at the end of this trip. Guys, ayaw gumana ng SIM card ni Mabs. Nakakaloka naman to. Mahal-mahal ng SIM card nila, 2,000. 2,000.
Gumana siya saglit.
Ha?
Gumana siya saglit.
Ayaw niyang gumana. Nakakaloka. Si ate na kasi yung nag-set up doon. So, pinigyan na namin yung passport namin and siya na yung nag-register. So, yung sa akin gumagana naman. Pero yung sa kanya, ayaw.
Gumana nga.
Ha? Gumana daw. Pero bakit ganon? Baka wala ka wifi ka.
Hindi nga. Kulit mo. Pinatay niya yung wifi. Tapos inot niya lang yung data ng cellular.
O, ayan o. Meron na siya. O, cellular. Singtel. Ano?
Ayan.
Pero walang data.
O, yun nga.
Hindi rin matawagan. So, hindi siya naka-ano. In-on-on ko nga eh.
Hindi naman siya roaming eh.
So, hindi siya connected. Pagkatapos ito, lalabas kami kaagad kasi walk around kami. May tapat na mall dito. Tapos, malapit lang kami sa Clarke Quay. Puro restaurants yata yun. Pero sabi ni Kuya Driver kanina, hindi daw malalakad ang Merlion. So, kailangan namin mag-train.
The one is not yet registered, ma'am, so you can register it using the iPad.
Okay, are you able to register it for me now?
Okay, that's what I do apologize, ma'am. Because we need to scan the ID, so you can do it, ma'am, via iPad.
Okay, so this one's not registered. So once I registered it, the plan will be activated as well?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the Hi app. Wait a second.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much. I'll try that one. Thank you.
Hindi nga na-activate.
So, hindi nga inactivate ni ate. Nakakaloka kasi yung phone mo yung una niyang kinuha. Diba? Kasi na-vlog ko nga yun. Buti na lang. Kasi ito lang yung binigay niya sa amin, guys. May message ako kanina kanina sa support, nila, chat. And sabi niya, anong SIM card yung kinuha mo? Sabi ko, I don't have no idea. Kasi ito lang, wala lang mo nakalagay na katulad sa ating Globe or Smart. Wala. Number lang. So, buti na lang na-vlog ko siya. And then, sabi niya kasi, it's either GOMO or the Hi app. Hi SIM card. So, buti na lang na-vlog ko and nakita ko Hi SIM card. Ayan. Alis na tayo, guys. Hindi ko alam kung na-workout ba natin ang kanyang SIM. Malalaman natin mamaya. Let's go! Check out muna natin yung kanilang pool area, guys. Ay, pwede ka rin mag-dinner dyan. Ay, ganda! Wala tayong dalang swimsuit. Ayan. Oh, diba? Ang ganda ng swim. Saan ko nga kay Bento. Ayan yung hotel, guys. Ang ganda ng hotel. Parang vintage, siya. Ayan, guys. We're up to Clarke Quay. 7 minutes walk? 7 minutes na lang. Ang daming, may 7-Eleven na malapit sa hotel and mall and Starbucks. So, very convenient. Siya. Tapos sa Clarke Quay, na doon yata yung MRT station. Sakay ng train. Ayan. Humid ng weather. So, parang Pinas weather lang. Guys, yung Fort Canning. That's the station.
Going Merlion.
So, yan yung station going anywhere. Di ba naka-zoom ako ng mukha ko? Naka-zoom ako ng mukha. Tingin-tingin. Wala pa tayo nadadaanang
Bus natin ulit.
yeah. So, at least super lapit lang. Parang wala man 3 minutes, no? Lapit lang and then dire-diretso lang. That goes everywhere though. We're here at BGC. Or Greenbelt. Charot. Para kasing mga BGC or Greenbelt ang datingan niya. Kaya, dito kami sa Clarke Quay, guys. So, malapit lang sa hotel namin. So, maraming restaurants daw dito and shopping. Probably more on restaurant. Yun na pala yung start niya. Yung may mga color thingy. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Gutom na kami actually. So, lakad-lakad tayo ng pudang. Ayan. Yan pala yung pinipilahan ng mga tao doon kanina, guys. Mag-cruise sila. So, ang daming ang restaurants dito, with a view. Dito, baka titignan natin dito sa Hooters. Hindi ko pa na-try yan. Yung food nila, American food. Ayan, lakad-lakad muna tayo hanggang sa makahanap tayo ng food restaurant, guys. Alin? Massage dito. Ayan. Picture lang kita dyan. Pinawisan na tayo. Nakalakad. So, meron pa dun sa other side. Both sides pala. Oh, ang cute! Ang daming food. Ayan. Singapore River Cruise pala yung pinipilahan nila dyan, guys. So, mag-walk lang tayo this side and then we'll decide where we're gonna eat. Yun na yung Marina Bay Sands, guys. Oh, kitang-kita mo from here. Tapos meron silang slingshot dito. Buti hindi nag-uumpugan yan.
Hindi mali. Yung isa kasi pa-side.
Ah, pa-side.
Up and down.
Ay! Wait lang.
Ha?
Ayun, yung Marina Bay Sands, guys. Look for mommies! Look for mommies! Oh, what's that? Look, the Marina Bay Sands! Right.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Hey guys, so dito nga kami kumain sa Hooters. pareho namin hindi pa na-try ito. Pero parang ano lang naman siya. Similar to TGI's and Chili's, yes. Dinner na tayo guys. Ugly all in order ko. And with prawns. And then sa kanya fish and chips. Kain!
A new place, a new home. For a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can.
Gusto kami mag-dinner guys. Dito kami sa grocery. Titingin kami kung ano mabili nating snacks and water. Isa na lang yung strawberry. Isa na lang siya. Magkano siya? Pero hindi siya maganda. Hindi siya maganda. Mig. Ano pa tayo? Baka bili kami ng prutas and snacks. Nagbaon na kaming Ruffles and Pringles actually. Nag-grocery kami sa Flanders. Bumili na kami. Sa umaga. Tinapay. Kahit hindi nag-aalmusal. Pero may kape na ako doon. Pero malay mo, mag-tinapay tayo kasi maaga tayo lalakad bukas. Guys, social yung ligo nila dito. Racing. Sa atin sardinas lang yan. Guys, nakakita ako ng Weet-Bix kay Ryger. Ayun siya, Weet-Bix. Na-miss niya yan. Share na to. So, ito. Tapos bumili na ako ng tinapay. And bumili kami ng chocolates. For the ayan. Dito kami nakastay, guys. Makita ko sa inyo. Ayan. The Robinson House. Yan ang ating hotel. So, tawid tayo. Ayan. Yung una kong tinignan is Grand Royal, Grand Park, parang gano'n. Union. Yeah. So, yan yung lobby niya, guys. Ha? Ano ba pinindot mo talaga? Ito. Guys, nakabalik na kami sa aming hotel and nakapag-PJs na kami. Mag-aalas 10 na pala, so matutulog kami. Matutulog na kami kasi maaga kami bukas because we're going to Arts and Science Museum. Yun yung first stop namin kasi that opens at 10 AM. And then from there, we'll figure it out kung anong day namin. We have a matchy PJ kasi nabili namin to sa City. Color blue, satin. Ang cute, diba? Kailangan natin mag-selfie. Selfie na. Good night, guys. Thank you for watching. Likes and subscribe.
Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky.